brainstorm. Yeah.
So you're going to set up a little residency over there and get the vibe going.
Yes, we're going to create a little pocket of vibe and just let it seep.
Just seep out. Well, that sounds like it could work.
Yeah, it's seeping up. I prefer the storm analogy myself.
As they seep away. What about when you come back? How about a new album? I think it's about time.
Okay.
Oh, yeah?
We weren't going to, but because you just
have you written it yet?
Yeah, pretty much.
Well, that helps. And so you're going to be recording your album. How long are you going to go away for?
A couple of months.
Oh, that'll be nice. Get away from the country. What are you going to play for us today then, Greg?
Single Perfect Raindrop.
Here they are, things of stone and wood.
Well, I wander around this mind amidst the ruins of a lonely child. I used to think I talked with spirits, now I think I talk with crooks. And I wonder if I ever did anything good at all, ever. So I lie awake at night and vow I'm not gonna think about it. Self-deception tattered like a flag across my back. All you had with warmongers, I feel I've been betrayed. My death in luxury, I'm her off laughter. She's a single perfect raindrop. When she falls, she takes my breath away. Well, I advertise the stars of middle class as like a shining piece of junk mail. I've inherited the meanness like a dinner set for family gathering. Yeah, but she will scream and tell me all the magic in her magic life. We will laugh at how I'm scared of everything that moves, lest it to me or with me in it. I got self-deception tattered like a flag across my back. Money has been warmongers, I feel I've been betrayed. No dancing luxury, her eyes diapers. She's a single perfect raindrop. When she falls, she takes my breath away. Ah, what a disappointment this would all be. What a disappointment.